All right, let's get into it. Today, we're taking a look at a really unique, community-driven resource that's basically trying to be the ultimate digital compass for anybody who loves getting outdoors. It's called Adventurestuff.wiki. You know the feeling, right? You're getting hyped for your next big adventure, and before you know it, you're just drowning in a sea of 100 open browser tabs. You're trying to compare gear, figure out routes, watch vlogs. It's just information overload. Well, that's exactly where Adventurestuff.wiki steps in. It was built to be that digital compass, a central spot designed to cut right through all that noise. It's really just a space built around the idea of enjoying the journey and connecting with people, whether you're overlanding across the continent or just camping for a weekend. And here's the thing that makes it so different. This is not some big commercial website trying to push products on you. It is completely ad-free. It was founded by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. The entire thing is built on the idea of sharing what you know and working together as a community. So let's start with its first big feature, which is really the heart and soul of where this whole project even started. Its absolutely massive link directory. And when I say massive, I am not kidding. We're talking about more than 3,156 curated and constantly updated links. And these aren't just random Google search results. It's a hand-picked collection of genuinely useful stuff for adventurers. And what's so cool here is just how much ground it covers. It's like a whole ecosystem. You can find suppliers for that one piece of gear you need, or find specialists who can build out your entire vehicle. You can discover blogs from travelers who've already been where you're going, and even find links to training courses to sharpen your skills. But the site is way more than just a giant list of links, as awesome as that is. It also has its own wealth of internal guides and information, basically acting like your own digital field guide. If you're just getting into all this is incredible. The site is super welcoming. It has dedicated guides for beginners on core topics like wild camping and overlanding, so you can take those first few steps feeling a lot more confident. And for those of you who are seasoned planners, don't worry, it goes way, way deeper. You can find detailed pages on all the best trip planning tools, proven tracks you can follow, essential info for traveling internationally, and some serious deep dives into vehicle tech. It's a goldmine for planning those really complex trips. Okay, so let's talk about how this all stays fresh, because this is not some static, dusty old encyclopedia. What makes this wiki so special is the community. It's a living, breathing project that's always being updated. And this just shows that point perfectly. The site keeps a running calendar of global events. You've got everything from a 4x4 expo in the UK to the Tokyo Auto Salon. It literally connects the entire worldwide adventure community, so you know where you can go to meet other travelers and see all the latest gear for yourself. And this really gets to the core of it. The site's power comes directly from the people who use it. You are the community. Anyone can jump in and submit a cool new link they found, suggest an event that's happening, or share an idea to help this incredible resource get even better. You know, I just love this quote from the site's founders. It's not an apology, it's a promise. It frames the wiki's constant state of change as its best feature. It's never going to be finished, because the world of adventure is always changing, and this resource is designed to change right along with it. So if we boil it all down, Adventurestuff.wiki really is a complete toolkit. You discover all these amazing resources through the link directory, you learn new skills from the community guides, you connect with people at global events, and then, and this is the best part, you get to give back and contribute yourself. It's just a remarkable project, built purely on the spirit of sharing. It kind of proves that the best compass you can have for any adventure is the shared knowledge of everyone who's gone before you. So really, the only question left is, where are you going to go first?